Okay, so hello guys, it's my day off, it's my Sunday. Okay, it's my Sunday and I decided to go out and play with this RC car. This is the 16889 model RC truck. This is actually one of my favorite RC truck because it's really fast. The suspension is really high, and also you can see it's made of solid plastic. I've crushed it multiple times already and it's still working. I don't see any damage on the chassis or even in the suspension. And this is actually the cover, so you can see the battle scar. I've crushed it multiple times and it's still running fine, so let's just put this one back. So I'm just putting the clips of its body so it won't fall off if it crashes. It's really windy in here. It's -2 right now, plus the wind chill, so it's around -4 or 5 maybe. Negative, right? It's below 0 degrees. It's freezing cold out here. Okay, so I've placed all the clips, should be ready. So that right there, that flashing light, that means it's ready to receive a signal. So let's turn on the remote and it's ready to rock. Going really far. It still can go far, but oh, it's just too windy here. It still can go far, but I'm afraid it would reach the road and might be struck by a car. So let's get it back here. Oops, I crashed. Coming. See how fast that is? That's not even the full speed, man. Oh. Shit, I crashed it. You see how far that is? Running towards it. Yeah. Okay, here it is. Let's bring it back. Okay, this time let's set it to full speed. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So it's hard to like hold it and then take a video, so I just put it in the cup. Yeah, it's really fast. It's a racing RC truck.
Oh, it's a racing one.
Yeah, it's not even a full speed yet, so.
Is it battery or gas?
Battery. Yeah. It's really fast.
It handles good, eh?
Yeah. It's just hard to control when it goes really fast. Oh. Okay guys, so recording. Yeah, after a few crash, this is what it looks like now, and I totally damaged the body. I hope there's some replacement for this. So the two clips fell off and body's broken, but I bumped this multiple times. The bumper is still good. I don't see any damage on the core of it except for the body. So the cover needs to be replaced. I'm not sure if there's, I could buy some replacement parts on this. But I think that's enough for the test. I've enjoyed it. I broke it, and yeah, hopefully there's a replacement part for this truck. But if not, then I can just glue this or like manually repair the body by just putting some scotch tape on it or duct tape. So that's it for me guys. This is the 1866 RC truck. The range of the remote is really far, and it's just amazing. It's an amazing truck. So thank you for watching. This is just a quick test. to the extreme of this RC truck. See you in the next clip. Bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end, but take